really nasty bitch, you know? I can't help myself. So, I think, I've never done this before, but, you know, what the fuck? You know, my girl Jenna Jack me, she takes it up the ass really well, and I think I'm ready to do the same. You know, I think we need to stick your finger up here a little bit. You know, let's work it out. Let's work it out in the game. You know? Okay. Alright. Alright, I think I'm ready for the big one. Alright, take it easy, baby. Shove it in my ass. Let's shove it in nice and slow. Okay? Oh my god. Oh, this shit is kinky. I don't think I can take no more. Please, pull out, please come, please come.
We sold our soul to rock and roll, for drugs and girls and twisted shout. We play at midnight clubs for free, that's why our management walked out. We drink until the sun goes down, I guess we're alcoholics then. It's when the devil comes around, we give him sympathy instead. I heard him say our mind is weak, they also say we're all messed up. We got our fingers in the air, society can tear you up. We live and breathe substance abuse, we beat our bodies to the ground. When there is trouble we're accused, we're known as deadbeats in this town. You could do what they say, turn your backs and walk away. You could be like we are, against everything they say. They make you a slave to their world and how you're supposed to be. They try to conform us, they couldn't break our beliefs. We all got skeletons in the closet, it's time that we all let them out. Some people keep their closet closed, afraid of what's coming out. We never gave a shit before, so why would they think we would start? The critics knock us to the floor, they wanna tear us all apart. We never let them in our heads, we came too far to walk the line. The fact is they wanna see us dead, then have us major label sign. We gotta work for every buck, we gotta pay for every drink. We play the lottery for luck, still don't give a damn what people think. You could do what they say, turn your backs and walk away. You could be like we are, against everything they say. They make you a slave to their world and how you're supposed to be. They try to conform us, they couldn't break our beliefs. Let me put it in perspective, rock and roll's a lifestyle that we lead. Some guys start acting all protected, his girlfriend's a little prick's groupie, and it's just moved in all directions. The buzz keeps buzzing in their brain, we're about as low as you can get, classified as underground in the game. You can say at times we may not be as stable in life, well so they say. We tend to bend the rules a bit, and we like to run the camp our way. You can take it like it comes, you can't think it's disrespect. And we see problems, we don't run, we like to take them head to head. You could do what they say, turn your backs and walk away. You could be like we are, against everything they say.
found the death of his wife, Carolyn Grant. A torso and body parts of who is believed to be the mother of two were found this weekend in and near the Grant home.
Grant, and he was brought here to Northern Michigan Hospital where he is being treated for hypothermia and possible frostbite to his feet. He is, of course, under continuous police supervision.
Grant went missing hours before police found the torso in the garage of his home.
Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby. Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a
Who needs a motive? Nobody needs a reason to kill. Just today, Jake, you opened a 16-year-old boy who was shot in the stomach because somebody wanted his fucking iPod. What kind of reason is that? We're animals. It's in our nature to kill. Basic. Simple. You should have all figured that out by now. You know, of course, we're civilized, we're socialized. We sit around and talk about it over a beer. We don't actually do it. But if we could really get away with it, kill anyone? Anyone at all? You kill anyone.